Hey guys, in this video we will talk about this keyword in JavaScript. So this keyword in JavaScript is referred to the to its parent context. So if we talk about the global context and if we talk about here, if I write console.log and this, so it's the global context here. So we know that in global context, if we run the code on browser, the global object is the window object, which store all the method and variable that we used in our code, JavaScript code. So as I write here this and console it, so you can see that here we have a window object. So to verify it, and this keyword is referred to the window object of browser. Let's compare it and say, as you can see that it's saying true when I compare the this keyword with the window object. So this is one thing that it's a global scope, global context, where this keyword refer to the window object. But there are a lot more environment or lot more context where this keyword behaves differently. So let's deep dive into this and understand in which context and how it behave like it. So we another context we have is functional context. So let's say we have a function and it's, let's say, student, and here if we console here this and let's run the function, so you can see that it's still showing window object, but it should have their own you know that it's showing their parent object, but as you know that this is a functional component context. So it is showing their parent like a window object. If but it should not show that window object if we use the strict keyword here. So it depend upon the using of strict or non-strict environment. Let's say if I used strict here and as you can see now it's showing undefined. That's because in strict mode it refer to the same environment, like it in functional component, so it function context it's showing this to undefined because there is no this and object here when we use strict. But let me comment it and you can see now it's showing the window object that is the parent of student. So that vary depend upon the use context or not. The another environment or another context is we have is fat arrow function. So in fat arrow function, if we write here, as you know that fat arrow function is a ES6 function. So let's say students, let's say student 2, okay, and let's say callback, and here we console load this. Okay, and let's also call it. So you can see it also showing that the window object, uh, as we don't have this here, but if as you can see also that we are not strict mode here, same like as above function, normal function context. But if I uncomment the use strict, it's still showing the window object, uh, and this keyword refer to the window object, because in fat arrow function like es6 function, there is nothing like this in the function. So as it don't have on this keyword in fat arrow, it refer to the parent, like global context, uh, this keyword. So it refer global context object, so it's refer to the window object. The another one is this keyword in JavaScript, object method. So let's say we have object, and it's say name. Let's name it uh, person, and let's say name any John something, and we have function here, methods here, uh, like show name, and first of all let's console here with this, and as you can see that it is a simple object, but in simple object we are also add one method to call it. uh, so here if I call person, and as it's a function, uh, so it's like a method, so we create it, and console here this keyword, uh, and call person dot show name. Let's open the console here. So here you can see it refer to the object, as it's a object, and if we call this show name the method of object, and it in console here this keyword, so it refer to the person, and all the like uh, object and methods. So if I write here dot name, it's showing that John. So these are all the objects and like context of this keyword in global context, functional context, fat arrow functional context, and JavaScript object method context. So the last one is about here event handler context. So we have a HTML index.html here. So if I write here a button and add an event on click here, and here we console this. So what do you expect this here? So now you know this keyword refer to the window object, but now here uh, we have a button, and the parent of this is also a button. So it should be the button itself. Let's save it, and actually we need to add a name, so it's showing the button. So let me on click. So as you can see that it's showing the button itself, and if I write like this dot inner HTML, I would say okay, so it's showing the button uh, object value. So here if I change it to button 2 and click on it, so it's showing the button 2. So here's the different cases that on which this keyword behaves like differently. So as you see that it's depend upon the strict mode, and the global context, the functional context, and the object method context. Also we have checked the event handler context. So in event handler, it's refer to its parent, that is a button or any HTML element on which we have add the event. So hopefully this video helps you a lot to understand the this keyword. So if you like the video, please hit likes button, and subscribe the channel for more like these types of video. Thanks.